Howdy, we're going to open up this new Hilti handheld gas saw. I got it as part of a kit that comes with a blade and a water pump so you can use water out of a bucket instead of needing a supply of pressurized water. So voila, that's easy. And you can see that they just pack everything in the box if you get the kit. This is the water pump. You can see it'll attach to the side of the saw with the power takeoff. And it comes with Gardenia branded quick connects to attach to the saw. Also in the box, we've got this is the SPX blade. And it says that this gives you the highest level of performance with the DSH 600X saw. And now let's look at the actual saw. So let's finish going over what's in the box, right? You got your usual little blade changing tools, you've got a manual, and you've got what they call a consumables kit, which includes 2 replacement air filters, a bunch of actually pull cords, a spark plug, and a fuel. Looking again at this blade, you can see it has a punch out, and so the way it comes when you get it, it's for a 20mm arbor, and if you knock that out, that would fit a 1-inch saw. But of course it doesn't really matter because we have these combination flanges that can go either way. So I'm going to leave it alone. Okay, taking a look around the saw again. On this side you can see you got your pull cord, your on off. This is the stop position. Up here is run. The throttle here. Add fuel here. There's a nice clear window, at least when it's new. You can see I've put a little bit of fuel into it. On the other side, it's got the water connection, and it fits one of these Gardenia quick connects. You right on there, and then you can also take off this cover using a Torx or a screwdriver that's attached to the blade changing tool. Take that off and put on the pump that comes in the kit. This is the water flow control valve here. You can see the spark plug is right on top, pretty easy to change. And the last thing is we took a measurement here of what the cutting depth is. And this is with the smaller arbors that are for the diamond blades. And you can see that when we measure like that, you get just 4.72 inches. So around 4.75 inches total cutting depth with the smaller flanges. And last thing to add before we go outside and try it out is that this is a loud tool. The manual says it's 115 decibels when it's running. So you should definitely have some good hearing protection, and of course your usual PPE, some good quality gloves, and your safety glasses.